Hey everyone, welcome back to Science of Wellness. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated yet vital organs in our body, the kidneys. These two bean-shaped organs work 24/7 to filter toxins, regulate fluids, and keep us healthy. But did you know that kidney failure can develop silently over years? In this video, I'll break down how your kidneys function, the real causes of kidney damage, early warning signs you should never ignore, and most importantly, how to protect your kidneys naturally. So if you care about your health and longevity, make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more health tips. Let's get started. You know, when we talk about vital organs, we often think about the heart, the lungs, the brain, and those are crucial, absolutely. But what about the unsung heroes tucked away in the back? That's right, I'm talking about your kidneys. These bean-shaped powerhouses are some of the hardest working organs in your body. They filter your blood, removing waste products and toxins, and they play a key role in regulating blood pressure and electrolyte balance. Think of your kidneys like a super efficient water filtration system. Every single day they process about 180 liters of blood. That's like filtering a bathtub full of water multiple times over. Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filters called nephrons. These nephrons are responsible for removing waste products, excess water, and other impurities from your blood. And get this, they can distinguish between what your body needs to keep and what it needs to get rid of. Pretty amazing, right? But their hard work doesn't stop there. Your kidneys also help to balance your body's fluid levels, making sure you're not holding on to too much or too little water, keeping everything running smoothly. They control blood pressure by producing hormones that help regulate blood pressure, keeping it within a healthy range. They also activate vitamin D, converting it into its active form, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Protecting your kidneys is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Now, we've talked about how amazing our kidneys are, but unfortunately they're not invincible. Sadly, kidney disease is a growing problem, and the scariest part is that it often develops slowly and silently, with many people unaware of the damage until it's quite advanced. One of the biggest culprits behind kidney failure is a condition called diabetic nephropathy. This occurs when high blood sugar levels, often associated with diabetes, start to damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys. Here's how it goes down. High blood sugar interacts with proteins in your body, leading to a process called glycation. You can think of glycation like caramelizing sugar. It creates these sticky byproducts called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs for short. These AGEs are bad news. They're like tiny little wrecking balls, causing inflammation and damage wherever they go. In the kidneys, they wreak havoc on the nephrons, those tiny filters we talked about earlier. As these nephrons get damaged, they can't filter blood effectively, and waste products start to build up in your bloodstream. Over time, this can lead to a whole cascade of problems, including high blood pressure, fluid retention, and eventually kidney failure. And here's the kicker, the damage caused by high blood sugar and glycation is often irreversible. That's why early detection and prevention are absolutely crucial when it comes to protecting your kidneys. Chapter 4. One of the most challenging aspects of kidney disease is that it often progresses silently in the early stages. Many people don't experience any noticeable symptoms until significant damage has already occurred. But here's the good news. Your body often sends out subtle warning signals that something might be off with your kidneys. Paying attention to these early warning signs can make all the difference in catching kidney problems early on, when treatment is most effective. So let's talk about some red flags you should never ignore. Changes in urination, increased frequency, especially at night, known as nocturia. Difficulty urinating or a weak urine stream. Blood in the urine or hematuria. Foamy urine, which can indicate protein leakage. Swelling or edema. Swelling in your legs, ankles, feet, face, or hands. This can be a sign that your kidneys aren't removing excess fluid effectively. Fatigue and weakness, feeling constantly tired and lacking energy. This can be due to a buildup of toxins in the blood, loss of appetite and nausea, feeling sick to your stomach or losing interest in food. Again, this can be a sign of toxin buildup. Skin problems, dry, itchy skin, skin discoloration or darkening. These can be related to waste product buildup and mineral imbalances. If you experience any of these symptoms, especially if they persist or worsen, it's essential to consult with your doctor as soon as possible. Okay, so we've covered the serious stuff, but I want to leave you with a message of hope. The good news is that there's a lot you can do to protect your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. Here are some powerful, natural strategies you can implement today. Control your blood sugar. If you have diabetes, managing your blood sugar levels is absolutely crucial for protecting your kidneys. Work closely with your doctor to keep your blood sugar within a healthy range. Watch your blood pressure. High blood pressure is another major risk factor for kidney disease. Get your blood pressure checked regularly, and follow your doctor's recommendations for managing it. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight puts extra stress on your kidneys. Aim for a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Eat a kidney-friendly diet. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys flush out waste products. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the kidneys. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidney health. Be mindful of medications. Some over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen and naproxen can damage the kidneys if taken in high doses or for long periods. Talk to your doctor about safe pain relief options. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is a lifelong commitment, but it's one that pays off in huge ways. By making these lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney disease and enjoy a longer, healthier life. Final thoughts and call to action. Congratulations! Now you know how your kidneys work, what causes kidney failure, and how to protect them naturally. Let's do a quick recap. Your kidneys filter 180 liters of fluid daily. High blood sugar and glycation damage are major kidney killers. Frequent urination, swelling, and diabetes complications are early warning signs. Protect your kidneys by cutting sugar, eating right, fasting, and taking Benfotiamine. Question for you. Did you learn something new about kidney health today? Drop a yes in the comments if you did. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you.